99 Miata, full LED, custom taillights built by me. Hey, turn the left blinker on. Turn it off. Can you reverse? Turn it off. See, I'm about 10-15 feet away now. Hey, press the brakes. Let off. Press it. Let off. Go further back. Probably about 20 feet maybe now. Maybe 15, 20. Hey, press the brakes. Let off. Put the blinkers on. Do reverse again. Yeah, the LEDs for the reverse are not as blue as the video. They're a little bit more white in person, but they are still a little bit too blue for me personally. Turn the reverse lights off. And I have them all, each individual row of LEDs is basically angled differently so that they produce light basically all the way to the side. Even at, from the side, it's visible. Push the brakes again. Let off. Hey, go drive that way and then come back. And she didn't press the brakes. I'm going to be doing the front, both front blinkers, LED, as well as the front side markers. And